G'day, Boomer here. I'm down at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries today and I'm going to show you how to cook a few different lamb cuts with my sheared and seared. So we've got lamb backstrap and a rack of lamb. We're going to give them a little bit of a trim, a light coating of oil and then season them. With the lamb we're serving, we're going to make a sauce to go with it. Now, lamb loves mint, so a little bit of mint. Some pomegranate molasses, a little bit of honey to thicken it, some butter, and some apple cinnamon glaze from root candy. Roughly equal parts of all the ingredients, stir it over low heat, and that's it. So that's my sheared and seared lamb cutlets and backstrap. Gonna finish it with that pomegranate glaze and we're good to dig in.